Welcome to 10 Car Channel. Subscribe and get ready because today we are stepping into a world where luxury, power, and absolute freedom come together on wheels. This is the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome, a machine that is not just designed for travel, but built to redefine what life on the road can truly feel like. From the very first glance, the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome makes a bold statement. Its commanding stance, wide body, and confident proportions instantly tell you this is something special. The exterior design blends classic American strength with modern sophistication. Smooth aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly along the body, while the bold front fascia gives it a strong, road-dominating presence. Every detail, from the LED lighting to the premium paint finish, reflects durability, elegance, and long-distance confidence. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. You are no longer in a motorhome, you are in a luxury suite on wheels. The interior of the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome has been crafted with an obsessive focus on comfort and refinement. Premium materials surround you, from soft touch panels to rich wood accents and plush seating. The spacious layout ensures that every inch feels open, breathable, and thoughtfully designed for real living, not just occasional travel. The living area feels like a high-end apartment. Deep, comfortable sofas invite you to relax after a long drive, while large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light and offer breathtaking views wherever you park. At night, ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a warm and cozy retreat, perfect for unwinding or entertaining guests. This is a space where memories are made, not just miles covered. The kitchen in the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome is a true highlight. Fully equipped with modern appliances, ample storage, and high-quality countertops, it allows you to cook real meals just like at home. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before hitting the road or a full dinner after a day of exploration, everything is within easy reach. The smart layout ensures functionality without sacrificing style, making cooking on the road a genuine pleasure. Move toward the bedroom area, and you'll discover a private sanctuary designed for rest and recovery. The bed is generously sized and engineered for maximum comfort, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for the journey ahead. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated, allowing you to bring everything you need without cluttering the space. This is not just a place to sleep, it's a personal escape. The bathroom continues the theme of luxury and practicality. With a spacious shower, modern fixtures, and premium finishes, it feels more like a hotel bathroom than one inside a motorhome. Thoughtful design ensures efficient water usage while maintaining comfort, making long trips more enjoyable and stress-free. Under the hood, the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome truly lives up to its name. Powered by a robust and reliable engine, it delivers smooth acceleration, confident highway cruising, and impressive towing capability. Despite its size, advanced suspension and stability systems ensure a comfortable and controlled driving experience. Long journeys feel effortless, allowing you to focus on the adventure rather than the drive. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the overall experience. A modern infotainment system keeps you connected with navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information all at your fingertips. Advanced driver assistance features provide extra confidence on the road, helping reduce fatigue and increase safety during long drives. This motorhome is as smart as it is powerful. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome is its self-sufficiency. Designed for off-grid adventures as well as luxury campgrounds, it features advanced power management systems, ample water storage, and efficient climate control. Whether you're parked in the wilderness or cruising through the city, you have everything you need to live comfortably and independently. What truly sets this motorhome apart is the feeling it delivers. It's not just about features or specifications, it's about freedom. The freedom to wake up in a new place every morning, the freedom to travel without sacrificing comfort, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. The 2026 American Freedom Motorhome is built for those who see the road not as a barrier, but as an invitation. This motorhome is perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers who demand more from their journeys. It combines American engineering, luxury craftsmanship, and modern innovation into one powerful package. Every mile becomes an experience, every stop becomes home, and every journey becomes unforgettable. So if you're dreaming of endless highways, open skies, and a home that moves with you, the 2026 American Freedom Motorhome might just be the ultimate answer. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a promise of true freedom on the road.